Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just want to give you a tour of this Elite dashboard, give you an idea of what you have access to. Alright, so this is pretty well my all access paths to everything I've got, everything I've done, all the way down to that's been archived since May 2012, and it's quite a bit. Anyways, let's get started. First thing you need to understand is when you come in, there's an Elite trial and Elite. If you want to get access, make sure you hit the Elite where my arrow is, not this. Also, the Elite includes everything I do. Includes these 4 or 5 courses, the analytics service as well. So, as I said, it includes everything on an annual or whatever term you sign up for. So in terms of this dashboard, you'll get access to change your profile, all the video tutorials I include, and as I said, these are archived all the way back to 2012. So some of it can be, I would say, obsolete, but I archive it. Here is a section on Elite only articles. So here I do put up a lot of exclusive stuff that you can't find anywhere else. Many of them are the live webinars I do pretty well every Monday. Also, I have another section here that you should be aware of, these categories. If you want to have access to all of my video playbacks, just come under here and look up video playback, which is the very last category found in this service. So knowing that, you'll get access to all of the, we'll call them secretive videos, I've done recently, and as I said, all the way back to 2012. All right, so we've got that. Let me just go back to my dashboard here, and so we have the categories. So in here we have the articles, the secure chat. If you want to know more information about that, come here. That's your lifetime membership to all the things private I post now on the chat server. It's anonymous and secure. There's no third-party recording. I think it's on a separate domain that I own. FAQ, somewhat old, but if there's enough demand, I might start updating it again. Well, I guess that's got to get updated. As well as a video playlist as well that will take you to my YouTube channel. And do realize I've got over 2,600 videos as of to this time, which is quite a lot, obviously. In here is all the other areas. There's also the archives. So if I go, let's say, to September 2012, you'll get access to all of it, which covers everything from the old articles I posted on .NET, MATLAB, R, you name it, I've got it posted. Some of it's valid, some of it's not. But it's all there if you are interested. One of the big highlights of this course, or this service, is access to all 5 of these courses. Right now, if you're interested in building out bots, automated trading strategies, as you know, I've been really focusing a lot on Python. And we have right now the Python version 3, and that includes this course here. It's quite rich with all the different infrastructure you'd need to build out bots and strategies and all kinds of stuff. Continuing along below that, so this is version 3, this is Python 2. It's a little more outdated, but you'd have access to that, no problem. The format of the courses are all the same, and this one's smaller but outdated. The 3 other courses are the interesting area. If you're new to programming or have very little knowledge and are very new to all of this, you might be interested in this course here called the Duca's Copy Visual J4X and API Java Forex Programming Dashboard. So as I said, the courses are all the same. This has 4 videos. They'll walk you through how to use some of the older tools found in Duca's Copy for Forex programming using J4X and the Visual J4X. So you can get an idea of how to program a strategy and what's involved through this. So that's what these videos will walk you through. Then, as you become more advanced as a developer, we have this third course here. Now, I'm not yet trading futures or options, but if you are ever interested in this, it's a very effective course for all the types of fundamental-based type of strategies. I've included this older course, but this is still very valid. I mean, Java and C++ haven't really changed much. But this course includes all the potential algorithms that you could use for both Python and C++. So this is interpreted with those, and it includes a whole variety of topics, from yield curve that is pretty hot right now, hedging, optimal hedging, so on and so forth. And that can be used for options and futures. That's what it's really built for. People have asked me, what do I trade? If you go into the analytics, I've got a video on that. I'll show you what I primarily right now trade with is Forex and crypto. Crypto is there's a lot of potential from a retail trading standpoint, starting from virtually nothing. Those are two asset classes I would recommend. So look at those first if you're a newbie to all this. But if you do start to scale up a trading account, you definitely want to look at options and futures. But it's been verified by professionals to do that. You need to have about $50,000 to do it in a very successful way. Then combined with that, with the Interactive Brokers API Workshop, this course, again, primarily focuses a lot on Java, but includes the Redis that I use as my own database because it's true NoSQL and it's true open source. There's no freemium component to it. Very fast database, and it also includes different demos, different ways to use both Interactive Brokers via Java, some C++ at a low level, and it's a really good course, but it's really more for advanced developers. Next one we include is this one. This is a fairly new one over the years, trading, and I've been developing for, I don't want to say my age, but let's say 30 plus years. And I come from C. There's a special type of way of coding, specifically debugging in the world of languages like C back in the late 80s, early 90s, where we didn't have these fancy IDEs and fancy debugging tools that enabled us to really quickly zero in on bugs and whatnot. I've taken the same concept via logging and been able to watch data, especially on a trading side, and be able to quickly determine how to build out a profitable strategy using this technique for logging. And I've got a course built on it, and it's pretty effective. So that's available as well if you are interested. It's probably the most effective way I have built out strategies for the Forex world and CFD world. So that's available as well. So it's quite involved with this membership. Also, we have this one set of boxes here as well. We have latest news, calendar events, which is really my Facebook page events. We have the group chat, which again sets a chat server. We have an older knowledge base. It's pretty well the FAQ. I also have a software download section, which is fairly old, but articles, courses, live training, video, goodies, which is like books, recommendations, and some other helpful things. But again, does it work? I don't know. But it goes back a number of years, as I stated, software and different modeling as well. So these also will get updated as time passes. But real big benefits of this are the courses, the ability to get access to the more exclusive stuff here via the video playbacks of the webinars that I do, as well as the chat server, as well as you get full access to the analytics dashboard, and of course the more popular course on how to build out your trading bot or automated trading strategy for pretty well any asset class. But right now, definitely Python is predicted to become the most popular programming language out there within 3 years. So Python is worth investing into, and especially as we move into the world of machine learning and how it impacts finance and trading generally. That's pretty well it. It's quite involved, but if you get a year's subscription, that'll keep you busy for a while for sure. Hopefully, this will help you out, and thanks for watching.